What's going on, guys? This is a 2020 Chevrolet Traverse, but this may apply to many different GM vehicles that have the auto stop start stupid feature that has been proven to cause problems in some of these models. If you don't have a button to actually turn it off, or if you don't want to invest in any fancy app or whatever to be able to turn it off, here's what you do. Put the shifter into the manual low gear region, pull it all the way back basically, and then just upshift all the way to 9th gear with the plus symbol on the shift lever, and it will no longer use the stop start stupidity. There you go. So check out our channel. We got all kinds of stuff. Like I said, just upshift, by hitting the plus symbol. As soon as you get in the car, pull it back to low, bump it up to 9th gear, whatever gear you choose, to be in, and it will shift gears normally, and it won't cut off on you trying to save the environment or whatever. Anyway, I work at a auto repair shop, and we see this feature, and among others, that are causing problems in these cars. So that's how you stop the auto stop start BS. Anyway, check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, classic cars, dirt bikes, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, Yamaha stuff. You'll be amazed over the 2,000 videos we have on our channel, stuff that may help you. So check it out, and feel free to click the thanks donation button under the video screen. Feel free to shoot us a donation if our video saved your life. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.